Tom is gonna eat this.
अच्छा
If I got my girlfriend, then I'll marry she and I'll do mukbang with him. Tom is back again. Thank you for giving me.
चलो let's pray ना
Wait.
कुछ हुआ को ना हुई तब
Alusin due.
लेकिन ये पगला
I have to be dead soon, so
अच्छा
I have to marry and I have to get my baby soon.
अच्छा
And I will make more video and I'll put even my kid.
अच्छा
Everyone, welcome back to Katzil Kitchen. Today we have a very special curry. We have pork head portion. Also we have kidney beans with smoked pork cooked in ahone.
yeah
Also we
And we
have
have
some chutney. See?
and what is this called कोई
Squash leaf.
Squash leaf.
yeah
Boiled.
and some onion and
Onions and
Lemon.
and that is napa.
napa
Girls, you like to introduce yourself again?
Yes, Tom is back again.
Yeah.
My name is Kuketo and I study in Hope Academy
yeah
and I study in class 1.
Wow.
all right
Chalo, let's pray, okay?
all right
Okay, Alushay.
और चलो
Praise the Lord.
cool let's start okay
Okay.
it's okay it's okay
It's okay. You come a little bit aside, okay?
I do local style as the soup first bite
Me too.
wow
I like this sport.
no
I like this sport.
what
I like this sport.
अच्छा
You love Rajma?
Yeah.
That's good.
these are head part here
Yeah. Good. By the way, please tell us about your future plan.
If I got my girlfriend, then I'll
Yes.
marry she and I'll do mukbang with him. Okay.
Wow.
your future plan is to make mukbang huh?
Yes.
With your wife, right?
Yeah.
That's great.
And I will get my new car.
अच्छा from YouTube huh?
Yeah.
अच्छा
Tupad-tupid ase te.
की quoi
Tupad-tupid ase.
ouais अच्छा
To head la portion as a head.
Man daw nga ase to.
Kabe.
Saya tiba dapat nak kayak angkun kan
Oh,
apa ya
hoy.
You better eat this. Okay?
Kike.
hasta me auto ganhar essa de der
Mulaan tiyo aro. Mulaan kau tuman balase.
apa
Mas smart ase.
Wow,
Sure.
thank you.
Welcome.
ni bisa smart na rona
Hoy. Towi ase.
¿Qué igual?
Estoy aceto.
Muy bien.
Estoy yo.
Thank you.
Cruza smartness to. Pati jawa na. Frutal.
The squish leaf is so sweet.
Like it, huh?
Yeah.
You want water?
I need lemon.
Or lemon?
Yeah.
We'll squeeze it for you, okay?
Squeeze it here also.
Atala sabar lah. Atre, mana gini ya?
Okay. Let's put everywhere. Okay, done. Next. And try.
As most of you requested him to be on the video, so he's here again.
Everybody wants you to start your own channel. So you are planning to open
Yeah.
one, right?
So please still like this. If I get my girlfriend, then
Wow.
I will do my channel
Alright.
and say them to subscribe my channel. Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
But for now, what will you say?
Okay, I will say my uncle and auntie is so good
Acha.
and they're so kind.
Oh,
thank
thank
you.
you so much.
No more rice.
You have more rice here?
Oh, I thought it was.
We have a go.
This is for me.
Alright. Enjoy.
Yeah. Even you enjoy.
Sure.
All will enjoy, okay?
Okay.
I will eat this, okay? So this is how you have to eat, huh?
You have to eat lots of care.
Alright.
Keep supporting my uncle and auntie, and if I'm not even there, supporting them
Oh yeah.
and subscribe from them
Okay.
and like and subscribe from them.
Alright.
And please, God bless you. Hello guys, I'm back again. You said to come me next time, so I'm coming. Astronautum is coming. So please enjoy with us.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So today we've got a lot of items.
Okay, you just give that.
This one, na?
Okay.
We are so lucky, eh? We got this one.
Yeah, exactly.
First bite. Itu gauri lah, gauri pachala na?
Pachala hoy.
Pachala.
It's
Our
it
kitchen.
was red at home here.
Why did you put chutney?
Oh
You
yeah.
don't need chutney.
okay.
Just keep it aside.
Okay.
I'll take it. Huh?
Okay. It's too spicy for me. This is super yummy.
No? So good.
He loved it.
Yeah.
All credit goes to your mom. No?
Yeah.
Your mom cooked everything for us, right?
Yeah. Maybe
Thanks
she
to my
will turn to the
sister-in-law.
chef. Maybe she will turn to the chef.
Yeah. She's a good chef, no?
Yeah. I wish she teach me.
How to cook, huh?
Yeah. So that I can make more mukbang.
Hello, Cruz. You have plans to create YouTube account. You have plans to open your own channel, na?
Yeah.
So tell us about your plan.
My plan future video is first thing I need to get my girlfriend
That's it.
so that I can make more mukbang than 1,000.
That's it.
And
More than
what-
1,000 videos.
Yes. And more likes and more comments. So that I can be popular.
Oh, you want to become popular?
Yeah,
Oh wow. So you don't have girlfriend now?
yeah,
You're right. You are still young, huh?
yeah,
You are still a kid, huh?
yeah,
Are you excited?
yeah. I'm already excited.
Already excited, huh?
Yeah. If I become a more, then
Acha.
I'll get my new girlfriend, and I have to be that soon. So I have to marry, and I have to get my baby soon.
Acha.
And I will make more video, and I'll put even my kid.
Wow.
Acha. That's so nice, huh? So you want to get married soon, huh?
Yeah.
Hope is capturing.
Your plan is for like future generation also, na?
Yeah. I always talk like that.
So close. If you get girlfriend, how are you going to propose your girlfriend?
I'll propose my girlfriend, ring, even gift, whether she's not birthday or maybe Christmas, and I'll give something to my girlfriend and my kid,
Wow.
so that I'll be good dad.
Wow.
You want to be a good dad, huh?
Yeah. And I'll never smoke
Wow.
and drink beer.
Wow.
Acha.
Very
You'll
good.
never smoke.
Yeah.
You'll not drink beer.
Yeah.
Very smart. Very good.
That's our boy.
Christmas, I guess, smart thing. Yeah. So good.
So proud of you.
So good.
Don't forget your promise, okay?
Yeah.
So special.
Everything is special tonight.
So good. I'm loving it.
Yeah. Even if I even make mukbang, I'll invite you guys. With my even friend like you guys.
You'll
But
invite us,
you,
huh?
but all of us will be a synapse.
We will
Your
become a sender.
uncle and auntie will become asabza, but you will not, na?
Yeah. I'll just focus and bring you guys.
Oh yeah. It will be very sad, na?
Yeah.
Because we will be coming up as an Atsana.
Yeah.
But even if we become asabza, na, we will always be there for you. We will come to your channel
Yeah.
and we'll make videos with you, okay?
Yes. I guess I'm done.
I ate a lot, yeah?
Yeah.
What about you, Coach?
Yeah.
Satisfied?
Yes. I enjoyed.
You enjoyed a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are done. Coach,
Yeah.
would you like to say something?
Yes, guys. So guys, we're done, and thank you for giving me good comments,
Oh yes.
and thank you for comment from there, comment and like and subscribe on them. So please show like and subscribe more video.
Okay.
Wow.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Hello guys, thank you all so much for watching.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed with us. And like he mentioned, please keep supporting. And if you are new to our channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you all so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.